Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. This side Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to get that crystal clear skin with vitamin C. Basically, how vitamin C helps me in getting this clear skin, glowy skin and many more things I'm going to tell you in this video. So without delaying, let's get started. So friends, vitamin C, the main function of vitamin C is repairing your tissues. Not only this, vitamin C includes like so many good functions and so many benefits in it. Right now I'm talking about beauty, so let's start with the beauty benefits. Vitamin C, if you are taking vitamin C, it will gonna help you in removing your acne spots, pigmentation, dark spots, and it will gonna give you glowy skin and even skin tone. We usually hear about that vitamin C, there is a face wash which includes vitamin C, then toners, skin creams, night creams which has vitamin C. Why it is? Because vitamin C is amazing for your skin. It will gonna give you that spotless and clear skin and like totally glowy skin. And I personally experienced this. That's why I'm making this video to tell you the importance of vitamin C, that why vitamin C is amazing. I just thought if we can apply vitamin C creams, night creams, day creams, so why shouldn't we take it and just enhance our beauty within? So that's why I just taking vitamin C tablets from last few weeks, and I have seen a clearly change on my face, on my body. And as I said, vitamin C has many benefits. Apart from this beauty thing, vitamin C helps you in immunity booster. Then if you're having high blood pressure, if you have a high uric acid, there are like tons of benefits of eating vitamin C. So that's what I'm going to tell you in this video. And trust me guys, eating only one tablet of vitamin C will gonna change your skin, will gonna change your body, will gonna change your life. So here I'm eating this AE Natural Vitamin C Plus chewable vitamin C tablets, dietary supplements I must say, and I'm taking it and it's like, it's too good. It just made my skin, you can see beauties, it just made my skin so glowy. It removes my acne spots. As you all know that I'm having oily and acne prone skin, and after eating it, it reduces my pimples, acne marks and dark spots too, and just made my skin so glowy. So this is AE Naturals Vitamin C with zinc chewable dietary supplements. Comes in a carton like this, and there are like 30 tablets, and you can see I'm eating it. This is my second box, and there are like this. So friends, this comes basically in two forms. The first one is this carton form, and the second one is this jar form. This includes vitamin C plus zinc, and this has vitamin C plus bioflavonoids. And so these are the two. This one I'm taking it like regularly after meal. You can take it one tablet a day. Just take it after meals, and this is like really good. Let me show you. I just ate my breakfast, so now I am going to take this. I love this. I literally love this medicine. This tastes too good. This has a very sour citrus kind of taste. It's an orange flavor and it tastes too good. Totally. If you are a fan of orange flavor, then this capsule is really good for you. So beauties, let me tell you the benefits of it. The first thing is it boosts up your immunity. If you're having high blood pressure, then this one is best for you. High uric acid, then if you're having heart diseases, iron deficiency, then chronic diseases, then for these type of problems, vitamin C plays a very important role. And these are the things which are basic for, but in the beauty, if I talk about beauty problems, then if you're having acne prone skin, if you're having that dark spots, pigmentation, I'm personally taking it as I shown you that I'm personally eating it, and trust me, it just changed my life. It just made my skin so good. Just take one tablet of vitamin C every day after meal, in afternoon, or like on midday, like 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. around, and just you can see a huge difference on your face. And I'm just loving this vitamin C capsules because they taste so good, they are chewable and they are so yummy. A proper orange flavor it has, so I just love taking it. It includes healthy skin, healthy nails, healthy hair, and it will gonna give you that glowy and clear skin because it has, as I said, it has bioflavonoids complex plus vitamin C plus zinc. It has zinc too. So this container contains three things: bioflavonoids, then zinc, then it has vitamin C. Again, this is of orange flavor, and this is chewable capsule. So I think what else I need. Trust me, this is bioflavonoids are basically antioxidants which will gonna help you in damaging your skin, your cells from free radicals. So this is again a very good for your skin, for your cells, and it will gonna help you in achieving that thing. So beauties, I'm going to share the link of these two products in my description box, so just go for it, and I just love taking it. Just go for it and don't forget to check my description box. So beauties, these two are my favorite vitamin C capsules. They both are in orange flavor, 30 capsules each. This one has vitamin C plus zinc, and this one has vitamin C plus zinc plus bioflavonoids, and they both are good for your body, for your skin, for your hair, for your nails. So beauties, these two are like, and you have to take both capsules, each one capsule every day after meal. So if you have any queries or like any questions about these two products, just comment it in the comment section and I'm surely gonna answer you. Hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel, do follow me on Instagram. So beauties, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.